Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to discuss how to make a strong portfolio step by step. First, let's talk about what a portfolio is. A portfolio is a collection of your work that showcases your skills, creativity, and experience. Having a portfolio is important because it can help you stand out in a competitive market and provide potential clients with a way to assess your abilities. A digital portfolio is a collection of your work in digital format. A digital portfolio is great because it can be easily accessed and shared. Digital portfolios can take various forms, including websites, online galleries, blogs, or social media profiles. Examples of digital portfolios can be found on websites like Behance, Dribbble, and Squarespace. To create your own digital portfolio, follow these steps. 1. Choose a platform for your portfolio, like WordPress or Wix. 2. Select a template that fits your style and branding. 3. Upload your best work and 4. Make sure your portfolio is easy to navigate and visually appealing. An online portfolio is a type of digital portfolio that is specifically hosted on the internet like a website or social platform. It's a collection of your work that can be accessed and viewed by anyone with an internet connection. Examples of online portfolios include LinkedIn and Instagram. To create your own online portfolio, follow these steps. 1. Choose a platform for your portfolio, like LinkedIn or Instagram. 2. Post your best work. 3. Optimize your profile with relevant keywords and descriptions. 4. Engage with your audience and showcase your personality. A print portfolio is a physical collection of your work that is typically presented in the form of a book or binder. It's a traditional format that has been used for many years by artists, designers, and other creative professionals to showcase their work to potential clients, collaborators, and employers. Examples of print portfolios can be found on websites like Blog or Shutterfly. To create your own print portfolio, follow these steps. 1. Select your best work. 2. Print your work on high-quality paper. 3. Organize your work in a professional and visually appealing way. 4. Choose a high-quality portfolio case or binder to present your work. When it comes to creating a portfolio, it's important to be selective in the work that you choose to include. You want to showcase your best work, but also ensure that it aligns with your personal brand and the image you want to convey to potential clients or employers. Once you've selected your work, it's time to present it in a visually appealing way. This can be through clean and simple layouts, strong typography, and attention to detail. Adding multimedia elements like images, videos, and audio can make your digital portfolio stand out. Be sure to include high-quality images of your work, videos of your creative process, and any other multimedia elements that showcase your skills and experience. It's important to showcase your skills in your portfolio. Make sure to include pieces that demonstrate your creativity, problem-solving abilities, and attention to detail. Use case studies or before and after examples to demonstrate your thought process and problem-solving skills. To sum up, having a strong portfolio can help you stand out in a competitive market and showcase your skills to potential clients. Whether you choose a digital, online, or print portfolio, make sure to choose the best work, present it in a visually appealing way, and showcase your skills. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.